I'm not on an ego trip. I'm loving on my own. I make mistakes and often slip, just common flesh and bones. But I'll prove someday just why I say I'm of a special kind. For when he was on the cross, I was on his mind. The look of life was on his face, thoughts were on his head. Light was on his scarlet robe and stained a crimson red. Though his eyes were on the ground, the day he looked ahead in time. For when he was on the cross, I was on his mind. Thank you, Jesus. He knew me. Yet